Hi friends, welcome back to AUTOPRO EV. In 2021, the Kia EV6 burst onto the scene, captivating audiences with its unparalleled style and desirability among electric crossovers. Now, Kia tantalizes with hints of an updated EV6, poised to elevate its allure further with sleeker aesthetics, cutting-edge Kia technology, and extended range, catering to the preferences of electric vehicle enthusiasts worldwide. Let's start with the most noticeable change, the face. Kia's designers have replaced the EV6 original headlights with slimmer, more aggressive designs. The new Star Map signature daytime running lights complement a reshaped front fascia incorporating Kia's modern tiger nose design. Out back, the EV6 retains its full-width taillight bar, but with a cleaner, less fussy lighting signature. We expect to see even more updates when the refreshed EV6 hits the showroom. Although no interior images have been unveiled yet, anticipate an upgrade that matches the exterior's quality. We can anticipate the use of premium materials and innovative technology to maintain the EV6's modern edge and competitive stance. It's highly likely that Kia will integrate its cutting-edge infotainment system with over-the-air updates, a significant advantage for tech-savvy EV enthusiasts. And now, for the part that really counts, under the skin. While Kia's keeping official specs under wraps for now, the updated EV6 is strongly expected to borrow the larger 84 kilowatt-hour battery from its cousin, the Hyundai Ioniq 5. This could significantly boost range beyond the current 77.4 kilowatt-hour pack, which provides up to 310 miles of range depending on the chosen trim level. Fans of the sporty EV6 GT needn't worry, it's expected to return. However, whether it'll get a power boost similar to the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and remains an intriguing mystery yet to be solved. There's no official word on pricing yet, but expect a slight increase to reflect the updates. With the 2025 model's improved tech and potential for a longer range, the value proposition is shaping up to be better than ever. Kia is expected to release full details on the refreshed EV6 later this month, so keep your eyes peeled.
Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe for more.